Fatima has said that she'll join, and her Simran is also joining. Ramita कहती है she's my students also.
Alright, Gurpratap.
उसके साथ students इकट्ठे आ जाए.
So Gurpratap, Gurpratap ji, we are already done with the Facebook and live streaming.
So you want me to start?
Yeah. Before you start, let me make a request to everybody.
मेरा video में 4 अच्छा okay.
So
all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Maja House. I would request, I can see a couple of people still unmuted. Please mute yourselves. I have tried to mute them, but then I can see a couple of people still unmuted. Please mute yourselves. So please over to Gurpratap ji.
Shall I start now?
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Maja House. As you know, Maja House is a hub in Amritsar of culture and literature, where we celebrate art and poetry and books and all the things that bring pleasure to our spirit. हमारे हर बार ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम होते हैं और ये आज का प्रोग्राम भी ऑनलाइन है और यहाँ पे मैं एक अनाउंस करना चाह रहा हूँ कि मार्च का जो महीना है वो हमने म्यूजिक और परफॉर्मेंस आर्ट्स को ही डेडिकेट किया है. इसमें हम डांस के बारे में बात करेंगे, हमारी पोइट्री का सेशन होगा और एक सूफी पोइट्री का भी प्रोग्राम है जो बिल्कुल एंड पे होगा. आज का जिससे हम प्रोग्राम से शुरू कर रहे हैं, द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम ऑफ द मंथ, वो म्यूजिक का है. उसका टाइटल है म्यूजिक दिल से और हमारे साथ आज जुड़ रहे हैं फ्रॉम इंदौर एक बहुत ही यंग अपकमिंग और टैलेंटेड सिंगर Zorawar.
Thank you, sir.
I welcome you, Zorawar, and thanks on behalf of Maja House. I thank everyone for joining us today, and I also thank you for taking out some time for us.
So it's an honor and a privilege for me. Thank you very much.
And I would like to invite now Preeti to give a brief introduction of yours. Preeti.
Thank you. So I'm going to begin with the lines that you put out, Gurpratap. If music be the food of love, play on. Give me excess of it, that surfeiting the appetite may sicken and so die. It's an oft-used quote from Twelfth Night by Shakespeare, and one of his most loved plays. And as Gurpratap has just said, March is going to be a month of music and of poetry and of performing arts. The conversations that we are doing are also to do with dance and music. And the other exciting thing is that after this entire year, 2020, which went by for all of us in quietude in our own homes mostly, we will open our doors to you at Amritsar at Maja House with a performance and a conversation around Sufi poetry on the 27th of March. And so it will be on the lawns at Maja House, and we look forward to having all of you there. This is also a time of renewal. Spring is in the air, so we should enjoy the bounties of nature before they fade into a long and torturous summer again. So I hope you're going to join us, and also do renew your support to Maja House, which is really required for us to continue with all our activities. So come, renew your membership, and come and enjoy everything else that we're going to be providing. Our performer today is Zorawar Bakshi, who is from Shillong, a trained classical vocalist in the Hindustani style. He now lives in Indore, and he teaches English and music at Delhi College. He's been singing for as long as I've known him, and I have been enthralled and astounded by the power and range of his voice. So without any more, let's go ahead and listen to him, beginning right now. Zorawar, what is it that you're going to present to us?
I'm going to present you first with a short introduction to Rag Asavari. And so this is just a short introduction, basically a small little alap and just a bandisht of Rag Asavari.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Zorawar, you need to be a little loud.
Yeah, the audio we cannot hear.
Yeah. No, I think probably.
Ravar, is your network okay?
No,
Yeah,
I
the
think probably
audio is
there is
not
some, you need to plug your cable again.
She's still here, right? I'll come back in a minute.
No, there is no audio. You know, these technical gadgets. No, absolutely, there's no audio.
It was fine earlier.
Yeah, it was absolutely. Yeah,
No.
no. Zorawar, I think you need to unplug it and then plug it again. No, we can't hear you. No.
चौधरी साहब
हाँ
गलती
जी।
से कहीं मैं क्या इनको पूछो कि गलती से कहीं इनका ऑडियो तो नहीं बंद हो गया?
नहीं, his audio is on.
Okay. When he started तो आवाज तो बिल्कुल ठीक आ रही थी.
जी. Zorawar, you know, just take out that cable first, which you just put in the amplifier. So are you on the laptop? No. So just, you know, probably he's joining again. Preeti ji, you can continue. I said you can continue. You can sing a song on.
I would suggest you switch off Facebook.
Yeah.
Let's give him 2 minutes to join back.
Yeah.
I hope you can hear me now, sir.
Yeah, no, no, we can't hear anything. That audio is not okay. Earlier it was fine, Zorawar. I think you have to go back to whatever you had on earlier.
Now can you hear, sir? You can't hear now still?
We can hear you, Zorawar, now.
Now you can hear the guitar?
Yeah.
Louder.
Oh, I think probably he's joined through laptop only.
Yes, sir. I'm using an audio interface for my guitar.
Yeah,
And
yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
is it okay
Just
now?
be loud. Be
Yeah,
loud
make
now.
it a little louder.
Yes, sir.
And
Okay.
before
All right.
Zorawar starts again, I would request everybody, please, whosoever is participating today as an audience, I would request, please mute yourself. I can still see a couple of people unmuted. I'm trying to mute them. They still unmute themselves. And, please, with folded hands, I would request, please mute yourselves. Yeah.
Okay, I'll start again then in that case.
Okay.
Dagare sare ni da pa kana moe asavari rag sunae kana moe asavari rag sunae gani ko aro han me chipae gani ko aro sare mare ma pa da pa da ga re sare ni da pa kana moe asavari rag sunae Devatvadi Kasamvadi Devatvadi Kasamvadi Madhyam Surgre Nyas Supanshama Madhyam Surgre Nyas Supanshama Avrohana Sampurana Dekhavat Sare Mare Ma Pada Pa Dagare Sare Nidapa Kana Moe Asavari Kana Moe Asavari Kana Moe Asavari Ranga Sunae.
Well, that's very nice beginning. But I think Zorawar, you need to be a little more louder because the audience is not able to hear your voice very clearly. Not even yours, and not even the guitar. So earlier, I don't know why it was working perfectly all right, and suddenly the volume has dropped down. So yeah.
Maybe we can close Facebook because it was okay before that.
Let me do it again. All right. No, okay. That's done.
I can repeat the performance if required because otherwise I'd really like the voice to come through.
The Facebook is closed now.
Now try.
All right. Should I try it again? So, should I try it again?
No, your voice is still low. I think if you join only straightway through the laptop, you will be more clear.
ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਵਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਆਸ਼ਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ
Sir, can you hear me now? Is it clear better?
Yeah, it's much better. Much better.
Okay, I've reclogged. I'll start it again. Just hold on a second. We had calibrated this and I don't know what's happened suddenly. All right. Is it better now? Is it fine now? I'm just trying to figure
Yeah,
out.
it's better now. It's better
Better
now.
now? Okay. Dagare sare ni da pa. Dagare sare ni da pa. Kana moe asavari rag sunae. Kana moe asavari rag sunae. Gani ko aro ana meche bae. Gani ko aro sare mare ma pa da pa da ga re sa re ni da pa kana mohe asavari rag sunae devatwadi ka samvadi devatwadi ka samvadi madhyam sur greh nyas supansham madhyam sur greh nyas supansham avrohan sampurana dekhavat sare mare ma pa da pa da ga re sare ni da pa kana mohe asavari kana mohe asavari kana mohe asavari rag sunae. Thank you.
Um, so do you want to tell us about this music and how it came into your life? Because I know you've been singing forever and ever, like I said. I've been listening to you over the years. How did this great passion for music begin, Zorawar?
I think my mom comes from a very musical family, and they always, in fact, my granduncle was in a band in the 60s called the Vanguards, and they used to tour all around the Northeast, even play trinkers in Calcutta. So the music is in the blood, and I think when I was young, since mom and dad used to play records all the time growing up, from Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan to the Beatles to CCR, and all of a mix of both. I mean, both Indian and Western. And I got my first opportunity actually when I appeared for the Doon School interview. They asked me to sing a song, and they were very happy when I sung the song, and they granted me admission just basically on the basis of a little singing that I did, and maybe my interview went quite well as well. So Doon was the one that really nurtured me. I was under the tutelage of Mr. Gursharan Singh, who's my Guruji, and he kind of he gave me exposure and brought out the talent in me. He basically, we were part of something which is called the Doon School fundraising concerts. So we would hold concerts all over, sometimes abroad, sometimes in India, and all the proceeds of which would go to charity. And so these opportunities, for example, these fundraiser concerts were basically a very good exposure for me growing up. I was adolescent from about 7 to 12. So growing up, it gave me a lot of exposure and a lot of confidence. And after that, I was in a band in college and gradually moved solo. And now I'm basically trying to do my own in-house production.
So, because I know that you like doing fusion between Western as well as Indian classical, so maybe we could listen to something, like a fusion thing, because I know you like that. And just sing loudly, Zorawar, so that we can all hear, because even now the volume isn't the best. So just closer
It's
to
not
the
the
mic
best.
maybe and
Okay.
loudly so that we can all.
All right. Okay.
Preeti, can I ask a question?
After this, maybe Gurpratap, let him
Preeti, can I ask a question if that's okay?
after this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, loneliness, you seem to have arrived. You've been soaring over my atmosphere, and I don't think it's right. Hello, loneliness, why do you look this way? I've never seen you like this. You've never shed a tear. My mind can't tell the difference. Are you friend or are you foe? Make it easy for me. I'll finally let you go. My mind keeps racing. I can't face all I know inside. Hello, loneliness, you seem to have arrived. Hello, happiness, I thought you'd never come. I've been sitting, listening, waiting, and I can't believe it's you. Hello, happiness, hello, happiness, hello, happiness, you never come along. I've been listening to myself so long. Why don't you fill me in? My heart seems to be at ease. Stay as long as you please. These eyes need to open. Tell me you're not a dream. These eyes need to open. Tell me you're not a dream. Happiness, I know I'm on to please. Loneliness, I'd wish you let me go. I hope the sound is better now, ma'am and sir.
Yep. Yeah, it is much better. So now we have a question for you from Gurpratap.
That was quite wonderful. And now, thankfully, the audio is also clear.
Thank you.
So, you were talking about your background and everything. So, I wanted to ask you a couple of questions regarding that. एक तो ये है कि you are part सिक्किम है आपके बैकग्राउंड में और पंजाबी भी हो, तो ये जो दोनों स्टेट्स हैं ये अपनी
Yes.
म्यूजिक के प्यार के लिए बहुत मशहूर हैं. पंजाबीज भी बहुत हैं और सिक्किम के लोग भी बहुत मशहूर हैं कि म्यूजिक इज इन देयर वेन्स. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि
Shillong
इसका भी
actually, sir,
आपके
not Sikkim. Shillong actually, sir.
अच्छा,
Not-
okay. Okay.
Meghalaya. Yes, sir.
So do you think this also helped you to become a musician? कि आपकी बैकग्राउंड्स में ही म्यूजिक था?
Yes, I think I got the sense of beat from my father's side, because you know the kind of the beat that the
Okay.
bhangra and all of that is very, it's the beat is a very important part of Sikh culture. I mean, I feel that you know the
Yeah,
beats
it
are
is,
one
it
of a
is.
kind, and there's so much so. And from what I've learned from mom's side is, you know, the choirs in the church and the bands that play live. So it's kind of a mixed scene there. I mean, a mix of Shillong and Punjab, so to say.
And tell us a little more
और
about.
आप एक ट्रेन सिंगर हो गया.
Sorry, yeah.
You know, you are trained in Hindustani classical, right?
Your
Yes, I
training.
did training. I did it as a subject in my class in 10 and 12. So Hindustani classical was a subject in my ICSE and ISC. So I studied it under Mr. Gursharan Singh and managed to pass the exam somehow. So till 12, I've done it as a serious subject, after which I kind of just freestyled and composed my own stuff, basically.
So आमतौर पे जो सिंगर्स हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल में ट्रेन होते हैं, दे आर वेरी प्योरेस्ट, तो वो फ्यूजन्स की तरफ नहीं जाते, उसको डिसलाइक भी करते हैं. So आप
Correct.
फ्यूजन में कैसे हैं? So उसके this is my question to you, and you can continue with the music afterwards.
Actually, what happened was, you know, I'm not a lead guitarist, so my strength was being able to use the tans in my songs, and whatever tans that I composed during the middle or the you know, the intersections of my verses, that would serve as a lead guitar, because I wasn't a lead guitarist at that point. So for me, actually, it's important because the language with which I speak comfortably is English, yet my sound is very much Indian classical. So for me to kind of to get a fusion of the best of both, bring in a little bit of the Indian side and transact in the medium of English, I think that's how it came about, basically. Also because English was my native subject growing up. I think dad would have spoken Punjabi and mom would have spoken Khasi, then I would have been extremely confused. So English was the language that I grew up speaking, and my musical background was Indian classical. So that's, I think, you know, the reason that it came about.
So what are you going to sing now?
I'll sing you a song by the Beatles, Let It Be. Beatles or Bob Marley, any one of them, whichever you choose.
Beatles.
Okay,
First.
all right. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So let it be, let it be, oh let it be, oh let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine on till tomorrow, let it be. Let it be, oh let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine on till tomorrow, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. So let it be, let it be, oh let it be, oh let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. So let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Oh. Thank you.
Well, that was amazing. That was amazing. Amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That was lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
And so tell us a little bit more about growing up in Shillong, because of course there's so many musical greats that, you know, one has heard from there, and including the, you know, Bob Dylan from Shillong
Yes,
with his
correct.
little shorts,
Right,
and
Mr. Lou Majao.
and of course, yeah, and also the Shillong Choir and so on. So it's really fantastic. It must have been wonderful growing up there. Tell us a little bit about what you would normally listen to, how you know, just growing up there.
I remember in my formative years, I would listen to a lot of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan because Papa used to play that quite often. And Mom would be playing her Beatles. Her Beatles was one of her favorite bands. Queen was another band that she loved. And so Queen, the Beatles, what else? Freddie Mercury was one of the, one of my icons in some manner. And a lot of CCR also. I heard my family used to listen to a lot of CCR. In fact, they would have MTV on those days. MTV was playing Western music. It wasn't really much Bollywood when cable TV first started coming out. So that channel used to be on throughout the day, and I'd hear all the songs. I'd even listen to the Bollywood top 10 growing up. And I remember that two songs were very popular at that point. One was Mukabla, which was
Yeah.
the famous dance number also, and Tu Cheez Badi Hai Mast Mast, which is also kind of taken from an inspiration from Sufi music. So music growing up was all kinds of music. I even had the privilege of working with the Shillong Chamber Choir. They produced and recorded a video of mine as well.
Okay.
I didn't join the choir because I felt that I was better off alone, and I feel that sometimes too much training inhibits your own inner self to come out. I feel that raw aspect of music is inhibited slightly if there's too much training. So that is one of the reasons. And apart from that, Shillong is very diverse in their music. They listen to everything from R&B, hip hop to metal. There's a huge metal following there where they listen to really heavy music. The cabs in Shillong are playing Metallica and other bands or other famous bands, rock bands. Rock and hip hop are very big in Shillong. And so growing up, that was the influence. But when I went to Dehradun for school, then that was a completely different experience as well. Because there we were taught rags, we were taught bhajans, we were taught ghazals, and also they allowed me to kind of carry on with my Western music as well. So I did, a mix of both. So I think the big change came for me when I went to Dehradun for the first time, and then that kind of gave me the wherewithal to accept all kinds of music and not be judgmental, because I feel music is a constant evolutionary process. I think, and it doesn't matter where it comes from as long as it comes from the heart.
And so, what's it like teaching children now? I mean, your students here in Delhi College. What is that like?
Yes,
I mean,
it's
yeah.
a lovely experience, ma'am. I absolutely love it. I didn't think I'd like teaching so much, but the children are a natural antidepressant, I feel. Their energy and just their energy and the kind of vibes you get from children is so pure and untouched that somehow they, even if you're feeling down and you're feeling irritated or you're feeling very sad. I also feel that I don't really teach them much. I don't really teach them. They already have the wherewithal. I can just show them the way so that they can pave their own path in music as well.
So what are we listening to now next? Do you want to, like, I don't know, Nusrat Ali, because you
No,
mentioned him? Yeah.
that is what I was going to ask. You know,
So
since
I don't think I'm capable now to do Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Also, I'd require a tabla, a tanpura, and a few other things.
that I can always support you from here, from Amritsar.
Yeah. So let
It will
Arvinder
be
ji
a
support
good
you from
fusion
there.
from Indore and then Shillong and then Punjab and then from Amritsar. I can give you that. But did you try in your life that Sufi music?
Yes, I did. I did sing it, but I found the nuances. The language actually, sir, was the main problem in Bollywood and in Sufi and in, because you know my diction is not very good in Hindi. So that is why I use English to kind of communicate what I write. My diction has always been a problem in Hindi growing up, which I'm trying to learn now in Indore. The students are teaching me Hindi and I'm teaching them English. I mean, so that's what's happening.
So what are you going to sing now?
I thought I'll sing you a Bob Marley number. Very nice words. It's called Redemption Song, if that's okay with everybody.
And then one of your own.
Yeah, sure. I can sing one of my own first, in fact.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
I think I know who you are. Shadows drifting in the darkness. Believe I've seen you somewhere around this place. I've tried to forget your smile, your eyes. It's haunting my head. It's taken me over for a while. You've left me for dead. And through the great tiled corridor that we once walked through hand in hand, and through the white line marble floor that we once stalked through hand in hand. Then when I see your face, it looks like the light outside a cabin in the fog. I'll never be able to forget that smile. And through the great tiled corridor that we once walked through hand in hand, and through the white line marble floor that we once stalked through hand in hand, hand in hand, hand in hand, whoa, hand in hand, hey now, hand in hand. Thank you again.
Thank you. Lovely. And in the chat, I can see that people are demanding CCR.
CCR on popular demand.
Do you want to do that? Or also, I think you should do one Bollywood.
One Bollywood
Just for
song.
fun.
Okay.
And I don't know whether we have some time, then we could even take in a couple of requests from the audience. I mean, of course, CCR is on popular demand, but otherwise also we could ask somebody if they're.
Right. Should I sing
Yes.
you Adat by Atif Aslam? I think that's a popular
Haan
number.
ji, bilkul. Yes, do.
Is the mic glaring? Is it kind of?
No, you be
glaring with
close
your
to it. It's
speakers?
good.
It's
Yeah.
close. Okay. All right.
Be loud.
Saying we again lost his voice. No.
I just need a little dehydration. I'll start again. Sorry, my apologies.
Zorabu, I think probably we have lost your voice again.
Again.
It's all right. It's okay.
Yeah, Preeti ji.
Hello, can you
It's all right. Yeah.
can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
No,
Okay.
Zoravar.
Not
Yes.
coming?
It's
Yes.
coming very clearly, Zora.
Yeah. It's
Now
fine.
it's coming clear? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just put it on the monitor so I can hear myself. Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
try that. न जाने कब से उम्मीद कुछ बाकी है मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है न जाने कब से दूर जितना भी तुम मुझसे पास तेरे में अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में और आज है ये तेरी मुझको सताए और आज है ये तेरी मुझको सताए यादें गहरी है
The sound is gone again.
Yeah.
It's really bad, yeah, playing.
Don't worry, but then, this is all technology. Sometimes it does happen. I think it was better now. Try saying something.
No.
No. No. One of the audience, Zoravar, said you have a magical voice. And I do admit and I do endorse it. You have a magical voice. Sometimes you sound.
Can't hear anything.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have one last number and then wind up because it seems to be trouble, no?
Yeah, I think so. It would be nice if we invite him to Amritsar Maja House and listen to him,
Yeah,
live.
that will
Yeah.
definitely.
No.
No.
So there's an observation, Zoravar.
Stop listening.
Yeah, stop listening to yourself. Stop your monitors. Yeah, just take it out. unplug yourself and then be live on the laptop. So probably that was a reason.
No.
You just leave this mic. Just come straight to the laptop.
Okay, now 1 second. Can you
Yeah,
hear me
much,
now?
much better. Just sing now.
Can everybody hear me now?
Yeah.
I've
And
got
now,
a yeah.
so Dheeraj Aneja is saying Another Day in Paradise by Phil Collins. I would love that too.
Okay, ma'am, I haven't learned that today. I have not
Okay.
prepared with that today. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I can sing you a song by Bob Marley, which I
Okay.
wrote crack on. I hope it's clear now. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. It's good. It's good.
Just give me a minute. There's a lot of stuff here I need to sort out. And just take out the guitar.
As well as one can be in these circumstances.
Okay. Now let's see if this works. Yeah. Is it clear now, ma'am? So, is it okay? Right, cool.
Perfect.
All pirates, yes, they're rabbi, sold out to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you care to sing these songs of freedom? Is all I ever had. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of us can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you care to sing these songs of freedom? Is all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. Is all I ever had. Redemption song. Thank you.
Thank
Right.
you.
And
Anyway, you've got a bunch of requests now, so I think you have to take something on board, whatever you like out of that. Can you
okay,
see
I
the
think
chat?
no
Or shall I
woman,
read
no
out?
woman, no cry.
No woman, no cry,
woman, no cry.
rhinestone cowboy, cotton fields, whatever.
Okay, I'll play. No woman, no cry.
Okay.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown. Oba serving the hypocrite as they would mingle with the good people we met. Good friends we have and good friends we've lost along the way. Where in this great future you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I said, and no man don't cry. No woman no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown. And then Dojit would make the firelight as we were dancing through the night. Good friends we have and good friends we've lost along the way. Where in this great future you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I said, yeah. No man no cry. No woman no cry. No man no cry. No woman no cry. Thank you.
Good. Excellent.
Thank you. We have somebody else from Shillong who's, I think, got a question or two for you. Sanjoy, I think you're here.
Hi, Zoravar.
Hi, sir. I remember you very
So-
clearly, very well.
Well, I remember you very well as a much younger person, and I'm glad your dad is also listening.
Why my
Uh,
picture is
but-
switched off?
Sorry?
The picture is switched off from my side.
I don't know what you're saying. My video is on. So
But I can't see the picture.
No, but then I think probably, are you in the laptop or
I am
No,
on the
We can
laptop.
see you.
I'm asking
Telephone.
Robert.
It was coming. It's not coming now.
It's okay. That's all right.
Your
can
video
hear
is
me.
stopped.
You can hear
Your
me.
vid-
For a writer, perhaps the writing matters, but sometimes the speaking matters. If you can hear me, that's fine. It's like Zoravar. If you can't see him but hear him, it's fine. But Zoravar, you and I grew up in different times in Shillong. I did my schooling there. I think were you in Edmonds also?
I was
briefly?
in Edmonds till class 6, so then I transferred to Dehradun.
I was in Edmonds from KG till from class 1 till the end. And some of my best memories are of the city. It is still my home. I will be going back to there in some time.
Right.
And there are good times and bad times. But one thing I do recall is that one thing I do know is my best friends are there. And growing up, that has been to me the greatest strength. I may have grown up in a small town, but what I learned in school, the friendships I had, which were across religious and caste and class barriers, those have endured. My best friends still, the people I can pick up a phone and call and talk to about what's on my mind are still the people from school. So I don't know. I mean, you've of course gone back and forth, but I would like to hear a little bit about this part, if it's possible. What
Right,
are the
absolutely,
good times?
sir.
What are the upsides, and what perhaps were the downsides?
So I'll start with a few anecdotes from my. Basically, I was in a day boarder till class 6. So I was in Edmonds till class 6, and I lived with my parents, and things were fine. I had no idea that things could be better, or would be better, or could be different in any way. So I continued. I made a few friends whilst in school, and those friends are still acquaintances till now, although I'm not as close as the ones that I have made in Dehradun. So I shifted to the Doon school when I was in class 7, and I was there till class 12. And I was in a boarding school during that time. And in those days, you know, we even had it was like basically you're living with your batchmates and your seniors and your juniors. So you're basically living with everybody. And in those times, it's a funny thing. We even had something known as communal bathing, where there were no shower curtains or anything. I mean, this is a big shock to everybody, but it was almost like we had developed brotherhood almost. You know, it wasn't like friendship anymore. We had grown up together. We were born together. Not born together. Sorry, we were basically in school together, and we grew up together, and we faced the same kind of challenges together. We were bullied very badly in our junior years, and then by the time we became seniors, then we couldn't bully. So I mean, and it's not like we wanted to bully, but we wanted a little bit of that, that little authority that you get in your class 12. And but these friends who have been with me in boarding are like Sanjoy sir had said, are my friends till date. And these boys have basically been not like friends, they've been like family to me. So that is what I'd like to say about boarding school. There were even times when we lost a hockey match, and we would be, getting hockey shots on the quadrangle with the sanction of the housemaster. You know, as in some way there was corporal punishment even at that time. Not corporal punishment, but your seniors would kind of sort you out if you had messed up in a game, or you weren't on time for lunch, or you were bunking assembly, bunking a meal. So these are the things that you still remember, even though life moves on after that.
So true.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you have next for us? And then we are just close to our, the winding up time. So, what do you have next for us?
Let me think of what I can play. Should I try Adat again, since we didn't hear it?
There was a request.
Yes, sir. So should I do Adat again, or should I try a different song,
I
sir?
think probably we can go with the Adat.
Okay, all right. न जाने कब से उम्मीद कुछ बाकी है, मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है, न जाने कब से दूर जितना भी तुम मुझसे, पास तेरे मैं, अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में, जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है, अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में, ना चाहत ऐसी है ये तेरी बढ़ती जाए, और आहट है ये तेरी मुझको सताए, यादें गहरी है इतनी दिल डूब जाए और आंखों से नम बन जाए ओ, na, na, no, no. अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में. Thank you.
Oh, that was awesome. You know, listening it to again, it was again a feast to the ears.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, wow, wonderful. And as I said, you were, I think, probably busy with your technical gadgets. I requested Preeti must invite Zorawar to Amritsar so that we can listen to him live.
Right, sir. That would be such an honor and privilege. And I thank you so much for your compliments. I'm really sorry about the technical glitch. I don't know what happened right in
No,
the beginning.
it does happen. It does happen, you know.
Right.
These
I
are
tried
all
to tune it up 45 minutes in advance, but it still gave way sometime or the other.
many a time.
So my sincere apologies for that.
No. That's perfectly all right. So since the audience has really enjoyed your performances and your own compositions, and especially when you started with the Asawari, that was a treat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Maja House, Preeti ji, please. Before I hand over the mic to Preeti ji to give the word of thanks and conclude this program, let me request the members of the Maja House, and I am requesting everybody to be the part of the Maja House, as Preeti ji said in the inaugural part. We are trying to do our best, and we are bringing the best for all of you. So when you are the part of us, it'll be, I don't have words, but then you all are assets for the society. And since this month is really dedicated to music and poetry, we are having a beautiful program with Anamika, though that is open only for the members of the Maja House. And still we have got 7 more days before that program happens. So you can join you can become a member of the Maja House so that you can be the part of the program. It will be a very renowned poet, Anamika. Miss Anamika would be reciting her own poetry, and the members of the Maja House, they'll be sharing their poems, nazms, and all poetry. So over to Preeti ji, and let me thank you once again, Zorawar. You have a beautiful blend, blend of two cultures, blend of a good voice, and all the audiences, they have really enjoyed this mesmerizing performance.
Thank you so much, sir. You're very kind. And I'd also like to extend my gratitude and a big thank you to everyone who's joined here today. It's been a pleasure performing for you all, and I hope to do it sometime again soon. I'd love to come and see Amritsar. So that would be lovely if the situation permits with COVID and everything. But I'd love to come, and I would be honored and privileged to come to Amritsar.
And let me share it. It's an international audience. We have people from all countries in this.
Right, sir. Right. That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
So over to
Thanks
Preeti.
very much. Thank you very much.
I'd like to thank you, ma'am, so much for everything. Thank you so much. And I'm
Oh,
really
thanks,
sorry again,
Zorawar.
everybody, for my technical glitch today. I'm
I
really
know.
apologetic about
Anyway,
that.
that happens often, so one cannot say anything about online, I mean, you can never tell. But I think everybody's enjoyed it, and I hope that you will be able to come to Amritsar when we have something next, which might be in the winter, but whatever.
Right.
And thanks very much for being here today. I want to tell everybody about the forthcoming programs in this month. On the 14th, as Arvinder ji has just mentioned, it's a program where we are asking Maja House members to, especially everybody who writes poetry, to please join and read us some of their own poems. And definitely everybody can attend, anybody can be part of the audience, but the readers are going to be members of Maja House. And anybody who's interested in taking membership, please get in touch. Our special guest is very well-known award-winning poet Anamika, who writes in Hindi. She teaches English here at Delhi University, and she has very recently at the Jaipur Lit Fest this year won her latest award. So she's got a bunch of them and a bunch of books out as well. She's extremely good. And she will also share her work with us. So that's on Sunday, on the 14th. And then again, the weekend after that, we have well-known dance critic Ashish Khokar. He will be talking to Chiranjeev Singh about Indian classical dance and its traditions and its history. And then on the last Saturday of March, we have the live program, which is going to be at Maja House. So everybody from Amritsar, we would really request you to come. And this is a program of Sufi poetry where we will have a conversation and we'll also have performances. Sufi poetry, and as it occurs in songs in popular films. So I think it should be an interesting evening. Do join us. And thank you everybody for being here today. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, everybody. Zorawar, thank you so very much. You have muted yourself again. All right. You need to unmute. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I said, sir, it's, like I said initially, it's been an honor and a privilege to be here. And I really look forward to coming to Amritsar to sing live for you all. I think that would be better without all this.
Yeah,
these gadgets.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless. Thank you.
Okay. All the
right.
best.
Good
See you.
night. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.